Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. All right, so on this tech tip, there was a question that came in. Hey, my RV came equipped with one battery. If I put two, can the battery charger support both batteries? All right, so let's think about this. I have a battery charger. It's gonna produce a certain amount of wattage to the batteries, okay? Now, after the battery gets charged, then the battery charger no longer is a charger, it's doing some other things. If I add a second battery, it's just gonna take twice as long to charge both batteries. Doesn't hurt the charger at all. It just takes a little bit longer to charge it up. So think of water. I've got a pail and I've got a water hose. It takes so long for water coming out of the water hose to fill that pail up. I add a second pail, well, it just takes twice as long. Same amount of water pressure coming out, same amount of volume coming out, but it would take twice as long to fill two water pails. It's no different when it comes to batteries. Batteries store electrical energy. Now, they're not going to demand anything more than what can be supplied, by the charger. I've got two batteries there, right? And let's say they're both low. My charger is just going to take twice as long to charge both of them. So absolutely, you can actually put 6 batteries in there. It's just going to take 6 times as long for that battery charger to charge them all up. Now, just think of this and consider this. The more batteries you put in there, longer it takes to actually work them down. And chances are, when you get enough batteries, you're not working them down, you're just using a little bit of each one of those, okay? It looks at your total consumption, and if your total consumption doesn't change, it'll take just as long to charge both of them up as it did for you to actually discharge them, right? Or however long that is. So yes, you can put a second battery in there. No, you don't need to get a bigger charger unless you got a high demand. You got an inverter or something like that, and you want those charged up quickly, then you want to step up your charger. Otherwise, get your second battery, get your third battery, and live happy. And there's your tech tip. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, well, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at nrvta.com, click on programs, and get started today. Well, I got 2 minutes to go ahead and explain this. So I'm going to spend 1.5 minutes chewing on my fingernails. Is that 1.5 minutes? Yeah, the answer is yes.